In a salient changes, number 1, the pillar stakeholder support. These changes emphasizes a stronger partnership between the PNP and the community based on mutual trust and respect. Number 2, usage of ICT. A new focus was added to include the use of digital tools and technology, showing the PNP's effort to modernize through digital transformation. Number 3, improve human rights-based community and service-oriented policing. As stated, this shows the PNP commitment to upholding human rights and the following national policies from NAPOLCOM. The new objective number 4 is to ensure support to public safety and internal security. This means that a new goal was added to highlight in the importance of the PNP role in counterinsurgency and counterterrorism. These areas were not strongly emphasized before. Number 5, the last. The objective, recruit quality applicants. The objective is to enhance the quality recruits through better recruitment standards. This was introduced as a part of a 2015 strategy update called Strategy Refresh.